Hello, let's get started and see how to make a very delicious and tasty rice pudding together. And this time with the exact measurements for the ingredients. Here's what you'll need to get started. 2 cups of milk, 2 heaping tablespoons of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of rosewater, and half a teaspoon of powder. Now pour all the mentioned ingredients into a small, suitable saucepan or milk pot. The wheat flour, sugar, milk, and powder. And before you put it on the heat, mix it well so it becomes smooth and the rice flour doesn't clump, giving your pudding an amazing texture. Then place the saucepan over low heat and stir continuously until the rice flour thickens and your pudding starts to boil. As shown in the video, once it starts to bubble, that's enough. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn off the heat and add the rosewater at the end. Pour it hot into your serving dish and you can enjoy it with cinnamon powder or any kind of nuts you like. You can have the pudding either warm or cold, it's completely up to your preference.